everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. And if you haven't already, let's give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see another day that was not promised to you or I. But because of His grace and His mercy, He woke us this morning to open our eyes and enjoy this beautiful day that He created. And for that, we need to tell Him thank you. So, guys, I love this right here. I recreated all of this. I took a plain tin that was gold. I painted it white. I added the happy times from that haul that I did from Dollar Tree. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. There was some pretty neat things on that haul. I took it and I applied it to this tin right here. I took some, I had some beads that I had ordered from Amazon. I took those and made some embellishments, as you see them sticking up throughout the basket. I took that bee ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree right there and made some bows. It just turned out cute to me. So I took socks that I got from Walmart and put them in the front. I got some Honey Peach bath wash and bath lotion back there. And this little thing came in a set. I just took it out and put it in this pail. And they got a massager thing right there that I added in the middle of it. All of it came in a set, so I just transformed from that set to this pail. And I think it came out cute, especially these little beads right here that I got added throughout the thing. And all I did was take the beads and add them to a toothpick to make a pit so I could stick them in the basket. And I think they came out so cute. I think it came out so cute. So I wanted to share it with you all. I'm doing a lot of, I have these 10 things that was left over from a event we had, and I'm just taking them, spraying them different colors, and putting my own touch to them, and making a basket, receptacles that I can make, put my stuff in, and yeah, sell them. So recycle. If you have something that you can recycle and give it and pass it along so somebody else can enjoy it if you don't got your use out of it. And that's what I'm doing to these pails, is just taking them, painting them a different color, adding a decal on them, and making a basket out of them. So I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to join me, watch me, spend time with me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button, please, and thank you. Then do me another favor, please. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment. Tell me how your day's going. What do you have plans for the weekend? What's the weather like in your town? Just any conversation started so I know that you've been here and I can come back to your channel and show you the same respect that you just showed me by watching my video. It's all about support, guys. It's only right that if somebody comes to your channel that you go back to their channel and show them that same respect. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others. I will really appreciate it. And until my next video, I'm gonna get on up out of here. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this here video. I hope you have a blessed one. And until my next video, everybody be blessed. And peace.